Hello students, now we will be doing exercise 6.3 question number 12. So what is the question is sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC. So that means from this triangle side AB I can mark with another sketch here AB, and then after BC this one whole side of a triangle ABC, and then after median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR. So there AB is proportional to PQ, then after QR this whole side QR, and then after PM. Okay, these are the things that is given proportion. Okay, so now we will start our solution here. So first part, what we will write here, the given. So what is given here, AB by PQ, then after BC by QR, and then after AD by PM. So they are proportional. It is given in the question. Okay. So now we will understand what is median here. So you have already got the word median in class 9. So here also we will see here what is median, what median does. AD bisect BC, or AD is a median of BC. That means AD will bisect this whole line BC into two equal halves. That means BD is equal to CD. And here also PM will bisect QR. So QM will be equal to MR. So this is the role of the median, that bisects the whole side into two halves. Okay. So now what we need to prove here, that we will write here, to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So we will start the proof. So we will take the median first. Median AD is already bisected BC. So what we can write here, BD is equal to half of BC, and this we can write as BC equal to, if I send 2 here, twice of BD. That means BD is, the whole BC is double of BD or double of CD. Okay, so here we required this triangle because many of the side here proportion in whole this ABC and PQR is in between the sides given inside this triangles ABD. Okay, here AB and PQ is proportion and AD and PM is proportion. So that means we will first take this triangle ABD and PQM. We will take these two triangle, and then after what will happen after taking this one, we will see in the solution. Okay, so BC equal to twice of BD. So similarly what we can write in here in triangle PQR, so QM, I will take again here, QM is equal to half of QR. So here what we can write, QR is equal to double of or twice of QM. Okay, this we can take as 1 and this we can take as 2. So before this step you can write here AD is a median of BC, and then after you can begin this one steps. Or here also you can write PM is a median of QR, so therefore this happens. Okay, so you can write, and also it is already given in the question, so I have written directly. So now what we will do, we will take the given part first. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, and then after AD by PM. And what we can make the changes over here, the given part, here if you see we have got the values of BC and QR. Okay, so now we will replace the value of BC and QR here. So AB by PQ will be equal to, in place of BC what we can write, twice of BD, and in place of QR what we can write, twice of QM. Okay, then after AD by PM. So after cancelling this 2 and 2, we are getting AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and then after AD by PM. Now we will see in the diagram, whatever sides are proportion here, they comes under which triangle. So here if you see nicely here, AB by PQ, okay, then after BD, this one BD by QM, and then after AD by PM. That means they are coming under these two triangle, triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So using the criteria of triple S, so here three sides of triangle, both the triangles are proportion. Therefore what we can write, therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, and here what we can write, triple S criterion. So up to here it is, I think, understand by you. So next what we will do, using this one, what we can write here, we can write this angle, angle B and angle Q, they will be equal. Why? Because corresponding angles of similar triangles are always equal. So that's why they are equal here. So now we will start our next step. So we will take now in triangle, whatever triangle we need to show similar, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So what we can write here, we will take the part which are given and their proportion in between these two triangles. Okay, so AB by PQ and BC by QR we can take as proportion in between the two triangles. Okay, so AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So here I am writing here given, and also angle B is equal to angle Q. So here we can write proved above, or directly we can write proved. So therefore using these two things we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By criteria of SAS criteria, because we have shown two sides, that is proportion between two triangles ABC and PQR, and one angle between these two triangles is equal. Okay, so I hope you have understand this one. Thank you.